I'm Joe Trave. I'm the founder and CEO of Village Handcrafted Cabinetry here in Lansdale, Pennsylvania. We are a bespoke kitchen manufacturer. We design, build, and install custom kitchens, libraries, bars, any type of architectural millwork. We like to say we're from the forest to the kitchen. We are a company of about 120 craftspeople, designers, engineers, cabinet makers, finishers. We build what others won't. Clients come to us when they can't find in the market what they're looking for. We build bespoke cabinetry. This is not a production line assembly. This is very handmade. One of our core values is challenge accepted. So when our clients come to us and show us an Instagram picture and say, "Can you build this?" and we'll say, "Yes, we can." We had a 1970s or 80s WEINIG here for a long time that we bought, and it was a beast. It was a great machine. We knew though that that machine was at its life cycle. We ended up picking the WEINIG Powermat 700 with quick change technology. It's a hybrid unit, so it's got these HSK heads that allow us to turn over profiles very quickly. This has allowed us to increase our capacity, in which the business is growing. We need more capacity, we need more throughput. So what this machine is going to allow us to do is maintain workflow in the factory, in that the molding packages are meeting the cabinet package simultaneously in the finishing department. The product coming off of the new WEINIG is unbelievable. I mean, incredibly small mill marks, if any. So this literally will reduce our cost in our shipping department, it reduces our costs in the finishing department, and that just increases our production vastly. With this HSK technology really is a game changer. Taking a process that would take hours to change over a machine to minutes with the tool stand, with the laser stand. This digital technology, it's far and away so much better. I purchased my first Holzer almost 27 years ago, and I was always a huge fan of that saw. It helped us grow our business, so it allows us to cut down material for specific processes, specific jobs. It just is more efficient than running over to a CNC to cut straight lines. Another thing that WEINIG has been great with, they allow us to send our operators right to North Carolina to get trained. We've already had one go down. We're having another operator go down next month, and it's a symbiotic relationship. So I am so happy that I purchased the WEINIG. I walk through a lot of plant tours and I see a lot of WEINIGs out there. They are really far and away just more advanced in the way the tools are set up, the way the tools are measured, and the flexibility the machines have. It's second to none.